Hello World Fitness family! Are you tired of crash diets and low-calorie snacks that leave you feeling famished and weak? It's time to upgrade your snacking habits to protein-packed power bites. That'll help you build muscle and burn fat. Here's a list of the top 10 snacks for muscle building. 1. Turkey and cheese roll-ups. Dip slices of cheddar or mozzarella cheese in plain turkey meat and enjoy these delicious, protein-packed bites. 2. Yogurt parfaits. Fill a bowl with Greek yogurt, fresh fruit, and nuts for a quick and easy snack that's rich in protein and healthy fats. 3. Again, avocado makeshift toast. Mash a few eggs into a bowl with some avocado and season with salt and pepper. Top it off with a slice of whole grain toast for a filling and tasty snack. 4. Beef jerky. Jerky is a fantastic source of high-quality protein that's perfect for on-the-go snacking. Try different flavors for variety. 5. Chickpea salad. Toss together cooked chickpeas, chopped tomatoes, cucumber, and a dressing of your choice for a refreshing and protein-packed snack. 6. Whole grain crackers with cheese and tomato. Pair a slice of whole grain cracker with a slice of cheddar cheese and a tomato for a satisfying snack full of protein and healthy fats. 7. Salmon and carrot sticks dipped in hummus. Dip cut pieces of carrot and salmon fillets in a light hummus dressing for a tasty and nutritious snack. 8. Greek yogurt with honey, walnuts, and berries mastics. Mix Greek yogurt with a teaspoon of honey, a handful of walnuts, and fresh berries for a quick and filling snack. 9. Nut butters. Spread almonds, cashews, or peanuts onto whole grain toast or crackers for a high-protein snack that's satisfying and easy to pack. 10. Turkey and apple slices with peanut butter. Layer slices of turkey breast with slices of apple and spread on a generous layer of peanut butter for a tasty and nutritious snack. These protein-packed power bites will keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day, helping you reach your muscle-building goals faster. So, go ahead and treat your body right with these fantastic snack options. Happy snacking!